We're going to mash the muscles of the internal rotators. So it's basically under the armpit and the shoulder blade. So just that outside part. In different areas, you're going to find different spicy spots. And we're going to do so lying sideways in a sleeper stretch. So grab a yoga block to place under your head, get into the stretch, and we're going to place the ball in a spicy spot, but keeping the stretch for about 2 minutes. You can keep the ball in one place and just rest on that area until it relaxes, or you can move things around to find a bit of a deeper spot. Try not to strain in the neck and really keep that neck relaxed onto the yoga block. If it becomes too strenuous to keep the ball in that area, you can either take the ball off and just maintain the stretch, or you can do the same positioning against the wall so that you can control the amount of pressure that you're putting onto the ball. Find places closer down to the armpit, or you can also go along the crease of the arm and the shoulder blade. What we're looking to do is to create some release so that we can get independence of movement from the arm and the shoulder blade. Just finding a few last spots. And relax and do the other side.